Hello everyone and welcome to Pinoy Tech Tips. Want to keep certain apps away from prying eyes or simply make your app drawer less cluttered? Your Samsung Galaxy S26 gives you a couple of easy ways to hide apps without uninstalling them. In this video, I'll show you two simple methods to hide apps, how they work, and how to bring those apps back whenever you need them. Let's dive right in. The first method uses your Galaxy S26's built-in home screen settings. This is the quickest way to hide apps from both the home screen and the app screen without deleting them or affecting your data. Keep in mind, though, that this method only hides the app icons. The apps remain installed on your phone and can still be accessed in other ways, such as through settings, search, or notifications. Here's how to do it. Press and hold an empty area of the home screen. Then tap Settings or the gear icon at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap Hide Apps on Home and Apps screens. You'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Tap each app you'd like to hide. Once you've selected all the apps you want, tap Done. And that's it. The selected apps will disappear from both your home screen and app screen, making them less visible while remaining fully installed and functional. If you're simply trying to organize your phone or keep less frequently used apps out of sight, this method works perfectly. However, if you're hiding apps because they contain sensitive information, there's a better option. Let's take a look. The second method uses Secure Folder. Unlike the first method, Secure Folder doesn't just hide apps. It protects them with Samsung Knox security and locks them behind your PIN, password, or biometric authentication. This is the method I recommend if you're storing banking apps, work apps, private photos, or anything else you don't want other people to access. Before you begin, make sure you've already set up Secure Folder on your Galaxy S26. If you haven't done that yet, here's how. Open Settings, then tap Security and Privacy. Next, tap More Security Settings, then select Secure Folder. Follow the on-screen instructions to sign in with your Samsung account and set up a PIN, password, or biometric authentication. Once the Secure Folder is ready, open it. Tap the plus button, then select the apps you'd like to add. The selected apps will now appear only inside Secure Folder. They'll function independently from the original versions and can only be accessed after unlocking Secure Folder. For even better privacy, you can hide the Secure Folder itself. Open Secure Folder, tap the three-dot menu, then tap Settings. Turn off Add Secure Folder to App Screen or use the Hide Secure Folder option if it's available on your device. With Secure Folder hidden, other people won't easily know it's installed unless they specifically enable it again. Now let's look at how to unhide apps. If you use the first method, restoring hidden apps only takes a few seconds. Press and hold an empty area of the home screen. Tap Settings, then tap Hide Apps on Home and Apps screens. At the top of the screen, you'll see the Hidden Apps section. Tap the minus icon beside each app you want to restore. When you're finished, tap Done. The apps will immediately reappear in your app drawer. You'll usually find them near the end of the app list. Now, what if you use the Secure Folder? Simply open Secure Folder and unlock it using your authentication method. Locate the app you want to remove from Secure Folder. Press and hold the app icon, then choose Remove from Secure Folder or Uninstall depending on how the app was added and the options available on your device. If you remove an app from Secure Folder, its original version outside the folder remains available, while uninstalling removes only the Secure Folder copy. Before you finish, here's one quick tip. If you're looking for true privacy, Secure Folder is almost always the better choice. The regular Hide Apps feature only removes app icons from view. Secure Folder adds an extra layer of security by requiring authentication before anyone can open your protected apps or files. And that's all there is to this guide. Now you know two easy ways to hide apps on your Samsung Galaxy S26, along with the best method to use depending on whether you simply want a cleaner app drawer or stronger privacy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Pinoy Tech Tips for more Samsung Galaxy S26 tips, tutorials, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.